Let x1, x2, and so on x20 follows normal mu comma sigma square. So this follows normal mu sigma square. We need to find, like, so we were given that p as 1 by 10 summation I is equals to 1 to 10 xi, and q is given as 1 by 9 summation I is equals to 1 to 10 xi minus p whole square. So we need to find, like, which of the following statements are correct. So first, if we consider this p, so p is nothing but mean of first 10 samples. So that means p minus mu by sigma by root 10. This follows normal 0 comma 1. Now if we are having like n minus 1, so that means 9 times q by sigma square. So this follows chi-square with 9 degrees of freedom, which is independent of p. So this first one and second one. And then for independent normal variables x and independent sample variance q, so this p minus x₁₁ by square root of q follows t9 into some scaling factor. T distribution with 9 degrees of freedom into some scaling factor. So now, like, if we consider this first statement, first option, x₁₁ plus, so in the first option, like, we are having x₁₁ plus p minus x₁₂ minus x₂₀ by square root of q is what we have. So the numerator, if we see, like, it is sum or difference of 4 IID normal mu sigma square. So the variance, if we find, like, x₁₁ plus p minus x₁₂ minus x20, so that is just the sum of those variances, variance of p plus variance of x₁₂ plus variance of x20. So we know that variance of p is sigma square by 10, and rest all will just be sigma square. So that means it is 31 sigma square by 10. So when we divide by this square root of q, we already have 9q by sigma square is following chi-square 9.